everyone. My name is Lolly Walton. I paint on a regular basis. I love landscapes. I love nature. I'm not real fond of painting, faces or humans, etc. I like animals. So there isn't anything I would turn down, but I'd have to work real hard at it. So I think that watercolor is something that you can do with others or that you can do with yourself. But what I have found since 1997 is that it's been my best friend. So if I'm lonely, I paint. If I'm busy, I paint. If I want to give a gift to someone, I paint. What I'm going to demonstrate at FWS is watercolor techniques. And the two techniques that I'm going to demonstrate are, number one, using Saran Wrap in your paintings, and number two, using a cat comb. So my message to everyone is pick up a brush. Water is always available. Buy a few paints. You can make a painting with 4 colors. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful painting day.